I'm from Newport Beach. My retired dad has a BMW X4 M40i towing 2 Ultras. He has the body of a 40-year-old, no towing experience. What's your opinion? Good for your dad for being in great shape. I'm pretty sure that BMW could tow him. I don't have a problem with that. He has no towing experience, so follow my tutorials on what to do about towing. Learn to practice backing in. Spend some time in a big parking lot. All right, you're in Newport, so why don't you go to Fashion Island on an empty afternoon or an empty morning where the parking lot is huge and start practicing towing around the aisles up and down at Fashion Island. I know it really well. I know you got plenty of parking. You can do it. And start practicing backing into spots. Arbitrarily pick spots. It doesn't matter. But spend some time, Arash. It's fine. But yeah, that should work out. Just go to an empty parking lot. Spend 45 minutes. And then when you're done, go to Cheesecake Factory. I don't know. Whatever.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.